Hey, hi friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Haikiva Knowledge Hub. Today we discuss few points regarding MongoDB. MongoDB, one of the most popular document stores available both as a fully managed cloud service and for deployment on self-managed infrastructure. MongoDB, primary database model, document store. Secondary database models, search engine. MongoDB, website, technical documentation, developer, initial release 2009. MongoDB current release 4.4.1 September 2020. License open source, cloud based only, no. Database as service offerings. ScaleGrid for MongoDB. Fully managed hosting for MongoDB database on AWS, Azure, and DigitalOcean with high availability and SSH access on the /1 multi-cloud database as service. MongoDB Atlas, the global and fully managed cloud database service from the makers of MongoDB. Deploy across AWS, Azure, or GCP. MongoDB implementation language C++. Server operating systems Linux, OS X, Solaris, Windows. MongoDB data scheme. Schema free, predefined data types such as float or date. Yes. Second indexes. Yes. SQL. Read only SQL queries via the MongoDB connector for BI. APIs and other access methods. Proprietary protocol using JSON. Supported programming languages C, C++, C/, Go, Groovy, Java, JavaScript, Perl, PHP, PowerShell, Python, R. MongoDB. Server-side scripts, JavaScript. Triggers, yes. Partitioning methods, sharding. Replication methods, multi-source deployments with MongoDB Atlas, global clusters, source replica replication. MongoDB, MapReduce, yes. Consistency concepts, even actual consistency, immediate consistency. Foreign keys, no. Typically not used. However, similar functionality with database reference possible. Transaction concepts, multi-document ACID transactions with snapshot isolation. What is MongoDB? MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL database used for high-volume data storage. MongoDB is a database which came into light around the mid-2000s. It falls under the category of a new NoSQL database. In other words, MongoDB is an open source document based database management tool that stores data in JSON-like formats. It is a highly scalable, flexible, and distributed NoSQL database. With the rise in data all around the world, there has been an observable and increasing interest surrounding the wave of the non-relational database, also known as NoSQL. Businesses and organizations are seeking new methods to manage the flood of data and are drawn toward the alternate database management system tools and systems that are different from the traditional relational database systems. Here comes MongoDB into the picture. Some of the key features of MongoDB are: each database contains collections, which in turn contains documents. Each document can be different with a varying number of fields. The size and content of each document can be different from each other. The document structure is more in line with how developers construct their classes and objects in their respective programming languages. Developers will often say that their classes are not rows and columns, but have a clear structure with key value pairs. As seen in the introduction with NoSQL databases, the rows or documents, as called in MongoDB, does not need to have a schema defined beforehand. Instead, the fields can be created on the fly. The data model available within the MongoDB allows you to represent hierarchical relationships, to store arrays and other complex structures more easily. Scalability. The MongoDB environments are very scalable. Companies across the world have defined clusters, with some of them running hundreds plus nodes with around millions of documents within the database. Queries. It supports ad hoc queries and document based queries. Index support. Any field in the document can be indexed. Replication. It supports master slave replication. MongoDB uses native application to maintain multiple copies of data, preventing database downtime. Is one of the replicas sets features as it has self-healing shade, multi-servers, multiple servers. The database can run over multiple servers. Data is duplicated to foolproof the system in the case of hardware failure. Auto shading. This process distributes data across multiple physical partitions called shade. Due to shading, MongoDB has an automatic load balancing feature. MapReduce. It supports MapReduce and flexible aggregation tools. Handling failure. In MongoDB, it's easy to copy with cases of failures. Huge numbers of replicas give out increased protection and data availability against database downtime like rack failures, multiple machine failures, and data center failures, or even network partitions. GridFS. Without complicating your stack, any size of files can be stored. GridFS feature divides files into smaller parts and stores them as separate documents. Thanks for watching. Never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for personality development, software QA, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data leadership training by